Hi, folks. I'm Tom Kvicka with you again for a little regular weathercast instead of severe weather coverage. We see a little bit of a glary, kind of hazy look there with the cam here in Alexandria. We're seeing visibility reduce some of that, maybe due to some, of course, could be some controlled burns in the local area or something. We've got Stellies in LeBeau where there was a tornado down there this morning early, not too far from there. And We'll be having some information on the details of that as the Weather Service is surveying it for today. Nice day, though. Looking at the current cam, we lost power to the cam down there this morning. And that Natchitoches, we're seeing kind of a hazy condition and temperatures. Well, I think those numbers are wrong. All right, coming up, this is going to be right. Need more rain? Well, I've got the answer to that question. You may not like it. You might like this. Cooler weather is on the way. We'll talk about how cool it gets in just a bit. All right, let's go forward and we'll take a look at radar showing the rain storms going off to the east of us, but left behind some storm reports here across the area. We'll zoom in a little bit. There's that tornado report down just to the west of LeBeau in northern St. Landry. Several hail reports across our northern parishes led by a 2-inch hail up there around the Powhatan, Allen area of Natchitoches Parish, and some sizable hail also across portions of Grant Parish and golf ball hail at Colgrade, which is east of Winfield. Yeah, no hail at my house. I was watching for it closely, but no dice this time, and that's good for me. All right, satellite and radar showing the storm complex. You can see it's clouds and rain getting out of the way. But if you look to the west, which way are the clouds moving? They're moving toward us, coming towards Sinloa. And so some more weather changes on the way during your 7-day forecast. So Futurecast, let's step you through the next couple of days here as we've started a new work and school week. Futurecast says Tuesday morning, no issues there as far as your forecast. Now, we will see a chance of some isolated showers or sprinkles on Tuesday as the atmosphere begins to adjust. The moisture begins to come back in response to the next weather systems. And so nothing serious. Don't have to worry about that. By 7 o'clock Wednesday morning, not seeing too much happening there. Just going to be clouds as the moisture continues to build up. There is a severe weather outlook, which includes some of our northern parishes there. We'll take a closer look at that. So again, another level 3 from the architects all the way up into the Midwest there with this one again. So yeah, these severe weather outbreaks are coming hot and heavy this year so far. All right, 7-day forecast, a couple of breezy days coming up. I'll call it breezy Tuesday. Gust to 30, southerly breezes, and then windy Wednesday with gust to 40 miles per hour. Low rain chances there. Can't rule it out. In fact, that continues into Thursday. There'll be a mixture of clouds and sun during the day and then overcast at night. And that is going to keep the temperatures up. This 57 is behind the little front we've got. And then we get 80. But then you see the warming trend kicking in on those southerly breezes. And look at these nighttime temperatures, 72, 73. That is summer, folks. That's June, July, and 1st of August. All right, kept up by the humidity and the clouds. Daytime highs 86, 87. There could a couple of thermometers could break 90 degrees, I suppose, on one of those days, but by and large, we'll be in the mid to upper 80s. Rain chances start to increase on Friday. We'll double it to 40%. Scattered showers and some thunderstorms, and then finally, that system which you're going to be hearing about this coming week. Of all the rain they're getting in areas to the north of us with this stationary or very slow moving weather system, but eventually it's going to decide to make a move, and it makes a move on us Saturday and Sunday with rain and some thunderstorms likely. And there could be some substantial rainfall totals down here, not as much as they receive up to the north. I'd say 1 to 3 inches would be a good bet in some locations out of that deal, and maybe more. We'll take a closer look at it and advise you as needed. We see a cool down. So this is the other part of the headline. Look at Sunday and Monday temperatures. They tumble, and especially Monday morning, 46. It's been a little while since we've been that chilly, but it's in my forecast there. And speaking of temperatures, let's go beyond this. Really kind of a split weather personality here. warm out west, cool back east. Here's the centroid of the cool air there, and then here's the centroid of the warm air. We're kind of in between, but we're in the cool region generally. And I think that 7-day forecast there on the last 2 days, where we had Sunday and Monday, that is, of course, kind of the beginnings of this little pattern here. As far as rainfall is concerned, below normal across a good part of the country. So maybe we can describe it as cool and dry, and maybe after some of this humidity we've had lately and storms, we'll need the tranquility and the break that a cool, drier, stable, more stable atmosphere will give us. All right, that's it for me, folks. Thanks for being with me, and we thank you for your support of Cenla Weather. Nick will see you in the morning, and I'll be back about this time for tomorrow. Hope we have just a terrific